Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the cured resin is slightly abraded and perfectly clean so stickers adhere. Lightly sand with 400-600 grit to create mechanical tooth, then wipe with 90% plus isopropyl to remove oils. Once done, position the sticker dry to confirm composition and alignment. Use a ruler or tape guide for precise placement. Make sure to avoid touching the adhesive. Oils reduce adhesion, so handle by the edges. This prep is the single most important step for long-lasting bond. You'll now transfer and seat the sticker carefully because ruined placement is hard to fix. If the sticker is delicate, use transfer tape to hold it. Peel the backing slowly while aligning from one edge and laying down gradually. Smooth with a soft squeegee or credit card, pressing outward to push air out. This prevents bubbles and trapped dust. Once placed, lift corners to check adhesion and re-squeegee as needed. Lower pressure near detailed areas to preserve fine lines. You finish by sealing the sticker so it won't peel. Use a thin epoxy or UV resin applied in a gentle 0.5 1mm layer to avoid shifting. Pour or flood slowly from one side and let resin self-level, then cure per product instructions. UV for specified seconds or epoxy for recommended cure time, making sure not to overheat, which can yellow resin. If small bubbles appear, pop them with a fine needle and smooth immediately. Then apply another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.